Of you, I think, are very close to reaching the point where you have always wanted to be there. And manifestation is not on the reaching point, it's always on the journey. It's about enjoying the present moment and knowing that it is already done. So, creation is already finished. You don't need to do anything to make it happen. But what happens is that sometimes the way of interpreting that how is it going to happen or when is it going to happen, that just creates too much toll in our brain, and our logical brain gets triggered, and that's when we start thinking, okay, let me just try to do something to make it happen, or let me just try to help God. And you don't need to help God, because God is that infinite intelligence, that part of you. God resides within you. There's a saying in Bible that Christ is within you. So whatever ideas you have, whatever promises He has given to you, that will come to pass. And you don't need to do anything to make it happen. You don't need to chase it around. You don't need to convince something. You don't need to do something about it. No, just let it be. Because the more you struggle, the more the path of least resistance doesn't happen. So when we are asking for something from this universe, what we are actually basically asking is, give it to me in the most least resistance way, so that I don't have to struggle to make it happen. So there's this tendency which we are put through our education system or through our parents, that you do need to do something to earn it. You don't need to do something to earn it. You are deserving of earning it. So you are deserving of it. You don't have to earn it. Just sorry, there was a mistake in saying it. So you need to know that you don't need to do anything to make it happen. And sometimes the point where you have already got what you want, or in the 3D, is maybe 20 minutes away from the place you are in right now. But you get down before the 20 minutes comes, and then you're just saying that oh my god, the 3D is not showing what I wanted it to be. I thought that I was close, that I thought that I'd almost reached, but I'm not there yet. But here I want to correct you that you need to be patient, you need to trust the process. And sometimes when you feel that you're near, you're actually near. But as I said, that your bus stop was 20 minutes away from the place you are in right now, but you're thinking that you're already there yet. I mean, you are there yet in the 4D, but you don't need to put in any action in the 3D to make it happen. So when you are getting down in the 3D, thinking that this is the place where you ought to be, and something bad showed up or something opposite of what you are wanting showed up, and you are just going mad and crazy that why is this not happening, what did I do wrong? You did nothing wrong. It's just that you were not patient, you were not trusting the process, or some or the other way your when and how was too much more important than having the desire, embodying the identity of the desire. So I would say that just be patient. When when you reach the stop, and when you need to get down from the bus, I mean, all this I'm saying metaphorically, obviously. So you will know that when you have to get down from the bus, you don't need to do anything to get down to the bus, or you don't need to put effort. Okay, let me just check if this is my stop. It looks like that, but it's not it. You don't have to get down when you are just thinking that this could be your stop. You will know when this is your stop. So just trust in this inner knowing that it's already yours. Thank you.